We will start with the non-linearized control system. This is an equation. It's non-linear because on the left hand side we got double derivative and on the right hand side we don't have any derivative. So it's non-linearized. So we have to make this equation now linearized on operating point y0 is equal to 2 and z0 is equal to 4. How we gonna do this? We're gonna do this with the Taylor series expansion. So we have to make this equation write down in another form. Just to make it simpler, we can write it down as a t1x dot plus x equals to 3y square plus 5 root z. We have removed t from the equation to make it more simpler. Now we can bring all the things in the right hand side to the left hand side of the equation. So it will be t1x dot plus x minus 3y square minus 5 root z equals to 0. Now we have to expand this with the help of a Taylor series expansion. How we gonna do this? This one will be partial differentiation with respect to the things. Now what will be how we gonna do the partial differentiation with what? We have to take whole of this equation as a function of something which will be equals to 0. Now this inside we have to fill all the variables, plus we have to take derivatives also as an independent variable. So it will be function is depending on x double dot x, y and z. Now we have to do partial differentiation with respect to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variables. So it will be partial differentiation of function with respect to x at operating point and the terms which got x double dot. Always remember, in our equation the x double dot x, y and z are written in capital letters, but when we do partial differentiation all will be written in small letters. So we have to do with every step now. It will be at operating point x dot plus partial differentiation at operating point at x plus partial differentiation with respect to x at operating point y plus partial differentiation with respect to x at operating point multiplied by z equals to 0. Now in this whole of the equation, wherever we got x double dot, we have to operate on this thing. So the answer partial differentiation of a constant is a constant. So it will be t2 square into x double dot. This thing we take out here. Now plus how many terms got x dot now? This one. So again it's a constant. So it will be t1 x dot. Now with respect to x, we got only one x. So it will be x. Now here we have only y, but here we got y square. So we have to do partial differentiation of this whole term. It will be minus 6y at operating point into y plus same thing we have to do partial differentiation of this thing because it's not only in z. So it will be minus 5 2 root z at operating point into z equals to 0. Now we have to insert our operating points. It was y0 equals 2 and our z0 is equal to 4. Now put these values, we will get t2 square x double dot plus t1 x dot plus x minus it will be 12y plus it will be 5 over 2 root of 4 is 2 into z equals 0. So it will be 2t2 square x double dot plus t1 x dot plus x minus 12y minus 5 by 4 z equals to 0. Now bring all these extra terms to the right hand side. It will be t2 square x double dot plus t1 x dot plus x equals to 12y plus 5 over 4 z. Now this equation is our linearized equation.